Hello everyone, the title of my song is Terror of Tonight. Is it gonna be long suffering? Is it gonna be more sorrowful? Lord, I put my trust in you. Hide me now. I rest in the shoulder of Father, and He will take care of me. 'Cause thunder from the past, there will be what can love. Lord, I put my trust in you. His protection and the comfort of His presence are freely. Ever those who love Him and walk under His command. Thy faithfulness